Hey guys, I hope you're all well. You know, the demand for hip and knee replacement continues to increase, but the average age at the time of hip and knee replacement continues to decrease. So the question always comes up, how long do joint replacements last? Well, the answer is complicated, as you can imagine, but let me give you a good rule of thumb. Hip and knee replacements wear out about 1% per year. So 10 years after you've had your hip or knee replaced, there's a 10% chance that it's worn out, but a 90% chance it's going just like the day we put it in. And you can carry that out. At 20 years, there's a 20% chance that it's worn out, but an 80% chance it's going just like the day we put it in. Now, in truth, those numbers are based on old implants, old designs, and now we have new designs and better plastics that wear better and better techniques to put these parts into place. So I think we can beat those numbers, but those are the historic numbers. Hip and knee replacement wears out about 1% per year. You know, I always tell patients that when we look at redos or revisions, the numbers are on your side. Our goal is to give you a hip and knee replacement that lasts your lifetime. I hope this helps. Y'all have a great day.